YouTube fam what is going on today with everyone, man? Hey, welcome back. Thank y'all for clicking on another one of the videos, man. It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming back at y'all with another unbox. Hold on. Khaled.
Another one.
Hey, another unboxing video today, man. Today your boy is bringing y'all some heat. If you seen my last video, y'all got a sneak peek of it. Hey, if you know, you know. But yo, man, hey, for those who watch the videos, y'all already know what time it is, man. But before we get into it, if this is your first time stopping through, checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, hey, I appreciate y'all for coming back through, man. But hey, we would like y'all to go ahead and be officially a part of the family, y'all, by hitting that subscribe button, man. And hey, I can't complain, bro, because y'all have not been no strangers to that sub button lately, man. Y'all have been subbing up. I truly appreciate, first of all, I truly appreciate my day ones, man. Everybody that jumped along, you know, along the way, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that's been rocking out with the fam, hitting that thumbs up, commenting down below. Truly appreciate y'all for sticking through and rocking out with the fam, man. We only going up, man. But yes, thank y'all for all the newcomers. Welcome to the family. I made a post on my IG yesterday, man. I was going through some pictures and I took a picture of my YouTube. It was like August 10th of last year, man. I had 2,997 family members, man. August 10th of 2019, man. So that's a year and a quarter, a year and 3 months to be exact. You know what I'm saying? And bruh, we've hit 34,000 in that time, man. So hey, humbling, bro. I truly appreciate y'all, man. But hey, that motivates me to keep hitting y'all with this content. We do have a review on feet with lace swaps of these shoes coming soon, man. I'm just bringing this unboxing to y'all because that's what I do, man. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out what we got in the box, shall we? Ooh, appreciate that, UPS. Hey, appreciate the assist. But bang, yeah, man. Your boy did head over to GOAT and pick this one up. I kind of jumped the gun. I bought these kind of early. The prices on these kind of went down, but I still feel I get my money's worth, you know, down in the long run, because these will go up, man. 100%. These will go up, man. A lot of people are panic selling with these right now, but these, hey, if you can get them right now, if you can afford to sell a couple shoes out your collection, do what you got to do. Get these shoes right now, man, because mark my words, bro, these gonna shoot up, man. But yes, man, go pick up. I did do, what did I do? I did the pre-verified, as I always do, because I hate waiting. So you know, I paid a little fee, but it wasn't too bad, man. It wasn't too bad. A lot of people were paying more, way more than what I paid for this, so I can't complain, man. So let's go ahead and pop it open real quick. Let me show y'all what's good with it. Yeah, hopefully all of y'all out there, man, y'all safe, man. Y'all having y'all a good day, man. I'm having a good day because I got me some new shoes. Y'all already know the vibes, man. But ooh, I got a crisp box. I got me a crispy box, man. Ooh, you know, I always gotta hype it up, bro. Ooh, once y'all see the box, y'all already gonna know what's going on, man. Y'all like, hey, show the damn shoe. Hold on. Let me hype it up some more. Oh, oh boy. Is the hype level up? All right, man. Bang! Yo, man, y'all already know what's going on, man. Y'all already know, boy. You already know, man. Let me go and take them out, man. It's crazy. Normally with GOAT, I normally be getting like some brown paper on here, but I guess it's because the box, like, it's such a perfect fit. That's why it's barely coming out. They didn't give me none of that paper, man, but I ain't gonna rip the box because I need this box to probably use for shipping. So let me try to ease it out there as best as I could. But yes, appreciate that. Bang. And as you see, hey, I'll be telling y'all a way to get a hint of what's going on, what I got for y'all, man. Take a look back here, because I'm always gonna show a box to whatever silhouette I'm reviewing or I'm unboxing back there, man. So that's just a little hint, an insider, man. But yes, back there we do have the off-white 4s, man. Let me take them down real quick and show y'all these real quick. I ain't gonna have them, bam, secluded from the video. But yes, man, your boy still ain't hit y'all with the on feet and review to these, man. But trust me, man, it's gonna be a time where it gets slow out there. At least, hopefully, it gets slow out there in the shoe game, and your boy will have all these old shoes to be going over and reviewing with y'all, man. But today's video, we got these, man. Taking a look at the box, Swiss cheese style box, man. Very holy, very holy. Y'all seen these type of boxes before, man. But taking a look at the size tag, first of all, we do got our GOAT, you know what I'm saying, authentication UPC stuff right there. Then right here on the size tag, man, it reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SP. This is a size 8.5. That is the size I prefer in my 5s because they a bulky shoe, but I recommend going true to size on all your 5s, man. But they retail for $225, and if you did get it for that price, bro, hey, you in there. But I didn't, but bam! I was gonna talk about the paper and stuff, but it just popped out in my face. Bam! Yes, man, y'all see what's going on. First of all, y'all, we do got a QC stamp right there on the top of the lid. We got a lot number on the other side. Taking a look at this paper, got some Jumpman paper, off-white stuff written on it, man. I ain't gonna go too much into that because this ain't the review, but bang!
Yeah, Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm popping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy.
Bang! Alright, man. So before everything just jumped out at y'all, man, I was slowly unboxing these, and it did come with my GOAT sticker as well as my GOAT verification card. That was crazy, you know, man. But yeah, it did come with these. Usually, like on a couple of my past pre-verified shoes, I didn't get these. I guess it came from like overseas or something. But anyway, man, I did get that this time with it, and bam! Once again, man, bruh, we got some urination 5s. Boy, cause these look like they used to be all white until somebody just stood over them and just, or not even stood over them, they you know, they peed on themselves or something, bro. But this is, boy, this is a pissy yellow shoe, boy. But yes, man, taking a quick look at them. As I was telling y'all earlier, man, hey, jump on these now. They actually slowly starting to go back up. I think they're around the 700 point, but they did see high 6s. They was like in the 6s for a quick second, so snag them now, bro, because hey, these gonna be I'm gonna say probably $900 shoe, a band like down the line, because of course the first pair, that silver pair or black pair, whichever y'all want to call it, that's gonna be probably about a $1,200 shoe, $1,300 shoe. So yes, man, your boy had to hit up GOAT, get this pair of off-whites in the collection. I did have a second pair, but I got rid of that pair already, and you know, hey, so it's all good, man. Everything worked out, but did come with this stuff on it. You know, your regular off-white stuff, got that zip tie. So yeah, man, I do have a full review and on feet for these coming soon, man, and trust me, it's not gonna be like the 4s, in which I will have that review coming soon, but I'm not gonna delay it, bro. So probably sometime this week. Look forward to this review and on feet with the lace swaps this week, man. So let me know, did y'all hit on these, man, for retail? Did y'all hit for retail? Did y'all have to pay resale? Are y'all willing to pay resale? Do y'all not want them? You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, let me know what's going on, man. But had to add these guys into the collection, man. They alright. Do it look like that Nike is a little off-centered? Am I tripping? It look like it's a little bit off-centered, but I don't know. But hey, it is what it is, man. But yeah, man, off-white 5s, sale joints in the building, man. We finally got them, man. I remember when I seen first looks of these, I was like, damn, is them releasing? I think I actually like them a whole lot more when I seen first images than I do seeing them in hand, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. I think the black pair or the silver pair looks better than these, but that's just my opinion, man. But yeah, man, hey, lace swaps coming soon. It did come with extra laces. Let me grab this pair real quick, man. It did come with those extra laces, as you can see. But hey, we ain't about to get into all these details. I'm gonna show y'all these, like I said, when I do that review and on feet, man. So quick look again at them. Bam, the Air Jordan 5 off-white sales. Yes, man, I got that coming for y'all. So thank y'all for watching another one of the unboxings, man. Got these in the collection, proud of it, man. Let me know y'all thoughts on these. Did y'all cop? Smash that like button for your boy, man, and hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, man. We got a lot of things coming up as well as going on over here, man. Looking forward to those holiday 11s, man. Your boy should have those soon, as well as we will have that Fire Red 4 video sometime this week, man. So hey, turn on the post notifications. Y'all stay blessed, and we are going to check out until the next time, man, with the Air Jordan 5 off-white sales, man. So till my next one, y'all stay blessed, man. Enjoy the B-roll. I'm gone. Peace.
Gotta what it be, YouTube family. It's all LUV, that's from me to you to me. Yeah, kicking major play, how I rocks with it. They cop by 2-3 fits and gotta cop the sauce with it. Hey, riding through the city, snap back or fit it. If I'm rocking with it and it's heated, oh let's get it. Kiss so cold and icy, feel so hot and spicy. Feeling like a million in my brand new pair of Nikes. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that vibe. Better watch me now, the heat I'm copping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy.